Alright, in part 3 now.
I'm still in 1.
I'm in part 3.
How is this in?
I stopped the video in 19 seconds.
Oh!
What are you guys doing? Get the hell away from that window. Get away from that window, you boys.
No.
Tyler, get the hell away from that window, I said. Well, you kids don't listen.
I'm videotaping.
Here, you don't need to be videotaping like that.
Yes, I am. Just shut up. I'm trying to videotape here. You messed me up, jerk.
Yeah. The thunderstorm be stopped.
Not till in the morning. Till 5 a.m. We'll be sleeping still. And you have to get some sleep too, because you got to go back to school in 2 minutes. Tomorrow's September 7th.
I hope I'll know.
Tomorrow's September 7th. You got to go to sleep. Because if you don't make it to school, you'll be tired and grumpy.
Man, I already have 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Ooh, boy, that I'm just you're up. This up. Ooh. Ew. Ooh, that's stinky. It's like you'll be stinkiest thing ever. Man, I hope window don't break. Everybody hear that. No. I hope, Darwin, I hope Auntie makes it.
Too busy, can't talk. I can't talk when I'm doing a video. Alright.
I'm scared. Yeah.
88% of my phone already.
8%?
88%, you silly.
What? We was at 15.
I charged it up yesterday, so it's fully 100%.
Oh, this missing now.
Because I'm holding my phone this way.
I'm putting it this way now. So it'll sit right here.
Oh, it's just an orange taxi. 424 taxi. Oh my god, the rain's coming down harder.
Oh my god. That poop.
You gotta go to the washroom? Just go to the washroom, I'll do that video for you. Go to the Stop it.
Ow! I'm just dead.
Oh, you're joking, right? Excuse me. Oh, I had those ketchup chips. They're so good.
My. Look at the rain. Yep. We gotta have a. Big.
Still raining a little. Still raining a lot. Ooh, there's curtain in here. Where's Snoopy? Go get Snoopy for me.
No.
Go.
You did him. I will.
No.
How about
You do it. I'm too tired.
just did him and watch it from the window?
No, jerk.
Why?
'Cause.
There's lots of room.
Okay, you stay on your... Look, there's 2 windows here. You stay on your side of the window, and this one's my side. You can see.
Ooh.
Darn it. Turn on the flashlight on, damn it.
Yeah, that turned on mine.
If you turn the flashlight on, you won't see the storm.
And at 10. It was close.
Now my camera's all blind up.
Yeah. I'm done. Hi.
Okay, go on your side, jerk. Perfect. Not blind no more.
Yeah, me too. Use this.
Oh, I saw the lightning. Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my.
All right, I'm finished now. I'm gonna do part 4 now.